Squarespace has just rolled out a new update to their form block, and now we can add a follow up when someone makes a specific selection on checkboxes or radio fields. And I'll show you how that works in just a second. If we haven't met, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator, and I'm glad you're here. So I want to show you how the form update works. I'm going to actually make a change to the contact form on my website because this is how it was set up before this update. So I have, how did you hear about me? And then I had to have another text box here that said, if referral, who can I thank? So it was a completely separate question. Now I can combine these. So let's go ahead and click edit. I'm going to double click on my form block, go into edit form fields. I can get rid of this guy. So I'm going to copy my text here and hit delete. And then how did you hear about me? Let's scroll down and I want to add a follow-up question if they choose referral. So I'll click these three dots, click add follow-up question, and you can do any of these. I'm just going to do a text block and drop in if referral, who can I thank? Once I click back and click out, you can see here it's saving it. It's not super clear because we don't hit save up here, but if you click exit, let's go ahead and fill this out and see how it works. All right, I'm here on my live site with the updated form. I'm going to choose referral, and then you'll notice that I made a mistake here. I put the text in the wrong place. So let's hop back and make that adjustment. So how did you hear about me? We're going to go to referral. There's one follow-up, and I don't need that to be the description. I need that to be the label. All right, let's go back, back, back. Looks like it's saving again. Just hit exit. When I refresh here and I choose referral here, perfect. If referral, who can I thank? I need to clean this up and just say, who can I thank? But you don't need to stick around for that. So if you have a similar setup in your forms, it's a really quick and easy change to make to keep things shorter on the front end and give you a little more flexibility. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop a comment below or subscribe to the channel for more updates like these. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.